to look like a drowned mouse right now. I just cycled like 4 kilometers in the pouring rain with no music in my ears and a heavy bag. I was so scared because my camera and my MacBook was in the bag and it was just pouring. So now I'm super cold. My fingertips might just get blue and fall off, I don't know. This video is me trying to cheer myself up and get warm, hopefully. So I cycled up a massive hill. It was so steep, so my laziness meant I had to walk. After I battled my way up that freaking hill, it started to rain. Cats and dogs. And then we just stood there. He tried to tell us about some history stuff, teacher, but no one was listening. And it was so freezing cold that we just went home. That massive hill, all those kilometers, for 2 minutes of education where no one even listened. And then we went home. I'm so cold and I'm so tired. I just cannot. So this is my outfit now, but I am soaked. So I'm gonna change into something more comfortable. Now I'm comfortable. Look at this owl. Isn't that neat? I even have a tail. How cute. Going all in. I swear I don't have an obsession with owls, but look at this cup, this mug. That's adorable. I'm gonna make myself a nice cup of tea, chai tea. So basically sugar powder. Look how cool! I have an emoji nail! This one too. I mucked it up because I went to sleep. Oh, it smells like sugar and melted butter.
You are fine, you are sweet, but I'm still up at night with my time. Got your fingerprints and it's all on my body. Explode the big bang, the reason I'm alive. La la la. Did you see that shooting star night? Were you down? flavour lemonade. 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 Make the ocean look like it's a pond. Then love to turn the valleys into mountain tops.
Can I just say, this looks amazing. Look at the sun rays. It's like a bird's nest. Oh my god, and I'm an owl. I always think, if I was in divination, what would Trelawney say that this means? So now I had to cycle a couple of kilometers again with my jacket still soaking wet, and it was cold, and I had to do sports. So I'm kind of dead now, and I have to do the whole relaxing, get well, get warm thing all over again. So here we go. I forgot to end the vlog yesterday, but I just watched some Westcon and I catched up with my German best friend, and she was really lovely. And then I went to sleep after I read some in my book. And today I was at a boring history field trip, but we played charades in the bus, so that was quite fun.
Here we see the poor people trying to get. Here we see the other poor people who's angry as fuck because they didn't get thing. Jeg synes, at bestille pizza.
Okay. What do you think about this museum?
Fucking boring. It's great.
And now I'm gonna make myself some hot chocolate. Okay, bye.